Hi there, students. A billet. To billet. Okay, a billet is a place where a soldier is assigned to sleep. In the past, billets were normally in private houses. So, you might have a soldier billeted on you, as in you are given an order effectively by the military that you have to find a place in your home for this soldier. Or, for example, during the Second World War, many people were evacuated from London, particularly children, to avoid the bombing. And these children were billeted on people in the north of the country. Effectively, they were people in other towns in the north were told to, you take one child, you take one child. And this is the same idea. Okay, so I think this verb to billet, it's lodgings for troops. Yeah, effectively, it's to give a person a written order that they need to provide quarters or lodgings for a soldier. Now, you can also use this billet, meaning a billet, a place to stay for a short time. So while the team were in Scotland, they were billeted in various different private houses. Okay, so they were given lodgings in these places. Okay, so to billet, to assign lodging to somebody, particularly a soldier. Yeah, and this is the idea of to billet. Yeah, members of the armed forces are billeted in a particular place. This is the place where they are given to stay, effectively their quarters. The soldiers were billeted in private homes. Okay, you can also use this for perhaps for a job. Maybe after a training course, then there are various jobs available and you could be billeted to a job here or there. You're sent to one place or another. Okay, and effectively to billet, to send somewhere to live. Yeah, my billet was with very nice people and I was very, very lucky. I think, let's see, to billet, this is fairly technical, although I think I would give it a 6 out of 10 in formality. Let's see, do you know this phrase, billet doux, a love letter, which I think I made a video on as well. Yeah, billet meaning a piece of paper or a note. Yeah, well, the origin of this verb to billet, effectively the householder was given an official chit or an official piece of paper, and they had to, that is something that they had to order. They had to an order that they had to obey. Yeah, and that's the billet or the billet, the note. But this verb in English, it's pronounced to billet with none of the French left. Although in billet doux, a love letter, I think I would still retain the French pronunciation. So formality, to billet. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. Use it just about anywhere. Yeah, so to billet, to provide lodging or a place where a soldier's been assigned to live, or temporary lodging in a private house, for example, for a sports team has been organised. Yeah, that's a billet. Notice as well, a billet can actually be a short piece of firewood, something that you burn on the fire, just a piece of wood to go on the fire. But that's another meaning. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Billet.